Yeah.
What's a toy bag?
I don't know, it's just like a little bag, dude.
Works.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we're gonna have a day today.
Day.
I actually feel very comfortable.
Oh, one time. One time.
Good boy, get your chest in there.
I'm gonna slip, eh? Oh! Oh! Bro, I'm gonna slip. Bought the wrong fucking shoes, mate. Oh! Freezing cold. Taste the water. Fresh.
You know I'm a heathen, still got some bones to break. My drink got me leaning, you about to make a mistake. I'm so far gone, bad blood turned on. I burn to anyone in my way. I'm about to bury my head.
And I hurt my back a little bit. What happened there on that last jump, Jace?
Hatchet, so pick up the plush in your casket. These chemicals give me bad reactions. Burn it down to the ashes. Fan the flame until it catches. Fire's rising in the blackness. Burn it down to the ashes.
Not that easy, Jace. I'm gonna have to take my shoes off. He struggled with the first big jump. He doesn't know there's a 14-meter one coming. Okay, give us a little roundup what's happening. Oh! Yeah, does that hurt?
So I'd say we're about 2 jumps in. And couple slides.
Fun slide.
Fun slide. It's been a great time.
How high was the last one? Like
I think the last jump was about 4 meters, 5 meters max. So our biggest one's 14. It's pretty fucking scary, I'm not gonna lie. And also I'm not the best jumper. But we will see.
We're working on the technique.
We're new to this. We're working on the jumping techniques. Definitely don't come in Nike running shoes next time. I've had to take my shoes off. Hectic. Oh my god! Oh, it's my balls!